Hello, everyone. Welcome to class. We're going to be talking about common farm animals and their babies today. Now, last time, of course, we discussed common foods such as eggs, cheese, dairy, milk, and other common things, bacon, common breakfast foods, for example, stuff like that. Now we are going to be talking about the animals where those foods come from. And to give you perspective, these animals are very common, and most likely you already know what these animals are. These are just the English names for them, and how you can identify them. So first off, in this image, we have this creature here, which is known as a goose. Say it with me. Goose. Good. And the baby of a goose is known as a gosling. Say it with me. Gosling. Good. And this bird is a water bird, and meat is also gathered from these birds at times, depending on the different culture. This is a cow. Say it with me. Cow. Good. And the baby of a cow is known as a calf. C-A-L-F. The L is silent. Say it with me. Calf. Good. And of course, these are where milk comes from, where cheese comes from. And these two creatures here are known as pigs. Say it with me. Pigs. Pig. Singular. Good. The baby of a pig is known as a piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T. Say it with me. Piglet. Good. This is where bacon comes from, where pork of all kinds comes from. This over here is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. The baby of a goat is known as a kid. It's K-I-D. It's the same as what one would call, in informal terms, a small human child, a kid. Now say it with me. Goat. Good. And kid. Good. And this here, and milk and cheese also come from these animals, but not quite as often. And this creature is known as a chicken. This is a male chicken known as a rooster chicken. Say it with me. Good. And a rooster, this won't be on any quizzes or anything. Say it with me. Rooster. Good. And the baby of a chicken is known as a chick. C-H-I-C-K. No E-N. Say it with me. Chick. And chicken. Say it with me. Chicken. Good. And that is once again a goat. Goat. Good. This little fuzzball here is a rabbit. Say it with me. Rabbit. Good. And a baby rabbit is known as a bunny. Say it with me. Bunny. Good. Another goat. Good. And finally, man's best friend, a dog. And of course, a baby dog is known as a puppy. Say it with me. Good. Now here are some more farm animals, more relevant to the topic at hand. This is a horse. Now, no meat comes from these animals. This is just a very common barnyard farm animal. They're used for plowing and pleasure, horseback riding, stuff like that. This is a horse. Say it with me. Horse. Good. A baby horse is known as a foal. Say it with me. Foal. Good. Another cow. Say it with me. Cow. Good. This is and another chicken. This is a hen, a female. This is where eggs come from. Say it with me. Chicken. Good. Hen. This won't be on the quizzes or anything. The female is known as a hen. Say it with me. Hen. Good. And here are pictures of the little baby creatures. This little fuzzball here is a baby duck called a duckling, as on the notes here. Say it with me. Duckling. Good. And these are puppies. Plural. Take off the Y, I add I-E-S. Puppies. Say it with me. Good. And this is a foal, or a baby horse. And these two, this is a donkey. Say it with me. Donkey. Good. And this is also called a foal. So these two here are called foals. Just add an S in the end. Say it with me. Foals. Good. This is a piglet, a baby pig. Say it with me. Piglet. Good. And this is a baby sheep. Sheep are where wool comes from for clothes and stuff like that. And this is a baby sheep known as a lamb. L-A-M-B. The B is silent. Say it with me. Lamb. Good. Piglets. Just add an S at the end. Piglets. Good. This is another baby horse and its mother. So horse. Good. Foal. Good. And this is a kitten. Baby cat. Say it with me. Kitten. Kitten. Good. And baby chickens. Just add an S at the end. In this case, chicks. Say it with me. Good. More puppies. Good. And this also won't be on the quizzes or anything. This is known as an American bison. Used to roam the plains in the West and stuff like that. Is still there, but lower numbers than before. And this is the baby buffalo is called a calf. C-A-L-F. Say it with me. Calf. Good. Now next, we will work on these words and use clause sentences and things to fill in blanks, match pictures, and things like that. So I think you'll have a lot of fun with this lesson.